Good evening, doctors and colleagues. This is a great day that I could interact with you. On 15th March, I'm going to speak on atopic dermatitis, which will be webinar on that day. And before that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. K.S. Ram, a senior dermatologist in Hyderabad, practicing in Twin Cities, both Hyderabad and Secunderabad, for the last 20 years. And my interest in clinical dermatology is atopic dermatitis, and my special interest is in aesthetic medicine and lasers. So, on 15th March, we will be talking and discussing about atopic dermatitis, which is a very common condition, and I wish that every one of you would be willing to know more about it and to interact about it. We can share the knowledge on that day, and we invite all of you for the webinar on 15th of March. Thank you.